Hey guys, this is Joe Tutorials and Reviews, and today I will be showing you guys how to play Valorant, the basics of Valorant, how to unlock a character, and some other things about the game. So, as you can see, I got into this map, Ascent, and this is your screen that you start with. You're going to pick a character. I decided to choose this man named Brimstone. Brimstone is one of my favorite characters. He has pretty cool abilities. He has a flare, he has smoke bombs, he has a stim for combat, and he has a special ability which is called an ultimate that sends down a whole airstrike. Now, to get these abilities, you need to buy them either at the beginning of the round with money you gain every round by getting kills and being helpful, or with the ultimate you can get it by getting kills or picking up orbs. Now, to get guns, what you need to do is get kills the same way and then buy your guns the same way as the power-ups. So, as you can see here, I'm staying back here waiting for the enemies because they're about to plant the bomb on one of the bomb sites. There are 2 bomb sites in this map. Some of the maps have 3, and the goal for the attacking team is to plant a bomb, and the goal for the defending team is to either defuse that bomb or kill all the attackers. You have to win 13 rounds for the game to end, and in the middle of the game, the teams will switch, and the defenders will be attackers and have to plant the bomb, and the attackers will be defenders and have to disarm the bomb or kill the rest of the attackers. Now, as you can see, there's a wide selection of guns. There's shotguns, SMGs, LMGs, ARs, all sorts of pistols, automatic pistols, and as you can see here, I have an automatic shotgun, and I'm getting ready for the enemy to come around so I can kill him. I killed him, and then 2 people flank around and kill me together. So as you can see here, I have the Odin, which is the best machine gun in the game. It's one of the most, and I just threw down my stim beacon, which is one of my power-ups, and this gun, as I was saying, is one of the most powerful guns and one of the most expensive guns that you can get. It holds 300 bullets, and it does quite a lot of damage. So as you can see here, I'm collecting an ultimate orb. These orbs, when you collect them, are what I was talking about earlier to get your ultimates. As you can see in the top, the spike was just planted, so I decided to head over to the spike. As you can see, I'm running with my knife because when you hold the knife, you run much faster. I see that my teammates are dying here, so I decide to flank around. Make sure to check no one's following me, and then I hear last player standing, so I start heading towards the bomb, pull out my machine gun, see the enemy, shoot at him, but then another one flanks from behind the other enemy. So in this clip, I have the Spectre SMG, and my teammate uses his scan dart, and I see that there are no enemies around. So I go the other way to check they're not behind us, and then I start heading back. So here you can see I'm flipping my knife over and over just to inspect. And then I hear my teammate say they're planting B, so I decide to start to head to B with my knife.
Planting.
As you can see, I have my ultimate charged, so I'm ready to go fight the enemies. I get close, so I decide to pull out my SMG and peek, start shooting at one. That told me their location, so I put a bomb, my special, right there. As you can see, it's sort of like a missile that creates a giant explosion. So here, I throw my stim beacon, and then I shoot the enemy, but the enemy doesn't die. So I leave it to my teammate to win the round, and he does. So this round, I threw down my stim beacon so I could run a bit faster. And then I start going towards the objective where my teammates are. I start climbing up here and then flank the other way my teammates aren't going because I know they won't expect it. The route I was going to go is covered by a door, so I flank another way. And here I see an enemy. So I pull out my shotgun, and that's another ability on the floor that someone else has, where you can ice the floor completely.
Last player standing.
So as you can see, there's a wide variety of things you can do in this game. There's a wide variety of characters, and there's a pretty good community because you never hear any trash talkers, and you can't hear them right now. So there's some more gameplay I'm going to show you guys with some more important things.
Spike planted.
As you can see, my teammates are saying they're planting, so I rush in. Again, doing the same route I did. I get here and I see that there's no enemies there. Hold this angle to make sure. See that enemy, shoot at him, and then my teammates kill him. So, when the attackers plant the bomb, usually if I just killed all the attackers, they would just lose. But they planted the bomb, which means we have to defuse the bomb. That is very useful because you could plant the bomb and then distract the people, and as long as they don't defuse the bomb, you still win. As you saw, I just collected another of the orbs, and I'm heading off to these little shield doors. Now, what these shield doors do is they stop people from rushing and killing each other until the round starts, and you can knife in and shoot it. It's completely indestructible, and you just wait there until you go. A lot of people think this game is similar to CSGO. I personally agree. It's very similar in the way you buy things, the mechanics of the game, and all that sort of stuff. But I also think it has a very close similarity to Overwatch in terms of animating and the abilities. I love both those games, so this game is really fun to me. I do recommend you all get it. If there are, you can't, it's not pay to win, so there's no things you can buy, you know, but there is skins that you can get if you want, if you're into that. Personally, I don't like buying skins. I feel like if it doesn't help me, I shouldn't waste money on it. So here, as you can see, I'm waiting with my teammates to push. And with friends, this is overall a really fun game. This particular time I was playing by myself just because I wanted to record, but here, yeah.
My bad, I didn't know you.
As you can see, I captured this orb, and then I waited here because I knew an enemy was coming. As you can hear, he passes by, take a couple shots, kill this one, and then this guy comes over here, and I wasn't able to kill him, but I was close, so I helped my teammate win that round. So this round, I make sure there's no enemies because I didn't have enough money to buy anything besides a pistol. So I use my abilities to their power. I put down a smoke grenade to cover me, and then I capture the orb.
Going behind.
I shoot into the smoke to make sure no one's coming, but then someone walks through the smoke. I start shooting. I think they go back, and so I reload, but then another Raze comes in and decides to shoot me. Raze is one of the characters. She's one of my favorite characters, but I have not unlocked her yet on this particular account. So here I'm trying to make this parkour jump, which is really hard to do, but once you get up there, it's a great angle to hold that people never expect.
Enemy spotted.
So this is the Ares, the gun I'm using right now. It's basically like the other LMG, but it's a bit worse. So I kill this guy easily, as you can see, but then I rush in. And as you can see, I have the spike, which is also the bomb. I decide to plant the spike right here and plant it down. Once I have it planted, I go into this corner and use my ultimate ability to make sure no one gets the bomb. So that basically was one of the last eventful rounds, and we ended up winning that game. So here, as you can see, these two people got MVP, and in the right you can see play to unlock free agents. I was not able to unlock it that game, but I'm very close. That game gave me around 1000 XP, That's what the games usually give you. So I got a bit bored of playing the 13 round ones because those can get a bit excessive. So I switched over to playing one called Spike Rush. And in Spike Rush, it's just a rush to get to the bomb. It's really fun because it's not very drawn out and boring. It's just quick. You don't buy guns, it buys them for you. And
Match found.
it's only 4 rounds to win. So it goes by very quick and it still gives you a good amount of XP. As you can see here, I found a match heading in. Choose my character. For this one, I decided to choose Jet, but then Jet got taken by someone else before I could choose it. So I didn't get that at that point, so I was a bit confused. So I went over to Sova and I chose Sova. Sova's abilities are a bow, which can shoot electric darts and scan darts. He also has a drone, and his special is sort of like Hanzo's special. If you guys have played Overwatch, he shoots something that comes out of his gun that's really overpowered. So as you can see, I finished that game and I got a notification that said new character available after playing a couple games. So I choose Raze. Recruit, confirm, and then I have Raze. So that's basically how you're going to get characters. As you can see, you get tiers for them as well, and you get all these cosmetic items that come with them. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. It can be anything, again, a tutorial or review for any game or anything that you want. I'm just looking for advice. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.